some sort of federal app store, whether it's apps.gov or the local policy skins that exist, various agencies that will allow their employees to provision apps through apps.gov, and making the most innovative applications and services available to the employees. So allowing the employees to choose between a number of different options that are most appropriate to them. I mean, at the fundamental level, in a large agency, we have different teams of people doing very different things. And for one team, a certain kind of collaborative environment might be optimal, and for another team, another kind of collaborative environment might be optimal. To support this, I think all of the service providers out there that are providing services to the federal government need some sort of way to comprehensively and continuously certify the security of those services at the service provider level, and then at the implementation level, where security policies will vary significantly from team to team and from agency to agency. There needs to be some integrated framework for locally applying security controls to those services that are being provided by these service providers, and that needs to develop. I think standards are the key to this, and I think through standards we will see the interoperability and portability of the data that will be required and the security that will be required to see large-scale adoption. And I think, to Colonel Foster's point, I think having some simple integrated way to securely authenticate the employees so that they don't have hundreds or thousands of passwords that they have to somehow manage, and that when we want to add new employees, we can just make all of these services accessible to them without having to go through complicated processes to provision each and every application. That's the only way we'll be able to compete with the services that are freely available to our employees in the cloud.
Yeah, very